Alright, let's go around and draw a cute Grimace. Alright, do it with me together. Short, really short video. I'm going to go start over here with kind of a curve, kind of a curvature shape at the top of the head, okay? So we're going to go through that together. Let's do it. Curve here. Alright. Going to pull downward here. And normally Grimace is like a triangle, but we're going to draw his body like cuter, right? So it's going to be a rounder, softer form than the normal Grimace. Going to go pull down over here on this side. I'm going to match this side over here. And curve around here. Curve underneath. There you go. Kind of a rounder shape than normal, right? Normally, he looks like a Christmas tree shape. Normally, kind of like Grimace, kind of. But this is gonna be softer. It looks more like a McNugget, I guess. Alrighty. Let's go over here and start with his face. So his eyes are gonna be bigger, right? So right here, circle. And then over here, circle as well for the other side. So remember, think about how you draw something cute. By the way, hit the like button if you like Grimace. Hit that like hard, and I'm going to draw way more of him in different, cool scenarios, or give me a scenario in the description below. But the reason we make the eyes bigger is to make it cute, right? Let me see. Going to go over here now, and I'm going to draw line across over here to kind of give him that lazy eye look. Line over here, curve over here for his eye, and then curve over here. The eye is gonna be, I'm gonna fill that whole thing in this time. It's pretty big, right? So think about what makes something cute in general, right? What do you think makes something cute? It's not everything big or everything small. It is proportion. Proportion is one of the biggest things ever. Like bigger eyes on a smaller body compared to a smaller mouth. That is what I go over in a free ebook. Let's fill these in while I'm talking, okay? There is a free ebook in the description that I'm going to give you as a gift. I used to kind of sell this, but instead I'm giving it away now. I just think it's a better idea. It's a payback for, the thanks for watching the video. But basically, these measurements for like making something cute are very easy to learn. Like you can just look at it like a paper and kind of understand it. And it's also incredibly easy to remember. That's the other thing. It's just that most people don't even look it up. So I put it in an ebook in a format where it's 20 pages, and I think like 19 pages of it is like all pictures. So you're just gonna see these little charts like big head. And the cool part is you'll be able to draw anything cute after you just look at that thing. So that's my goal, and that's my gift to you. So if you want that ebook, get the link in the description. You have to find it. That's the only catch. Let's go over here to the eyebrow. Right there. And see, even that alone, the eyebrow is going to be a little bit smaller than normal to make the eyes look bigger. But that ebook, I think, is the best thing I've ever made. So I hope you pick it up if you're interested in drawing cute stuff. But you're here, so I would hope you are. Gonna go right here now for the mouth. His mouth is gonna be upward more, but it's gonna be relatively big compared to his size for him. He's got that cleft in his chin. In his, he's got a cleft in his mouth, so that's pretty cool. Line over here, and over here. Curve underneath. Over here. And line right here for the tongue. So far so good. We're doing great. You're doing great. Okay, follow with me. You just want to get something close, the impression of Grimace. And by the way, share the video if you can. Sharing the video really helps the channel out. If you do like this video, share it anywhere. I don't know where people share stuff anymore. Facebook, TikTok maybe. I don't know where people share links to videos. But yeah, also let me know, because I guess I'm out of the loop here. I don't know where people share stuff anymore. Twitter, I guess. Alrighty. Filling that in there with the marker. And now we're going to draw his hands right here. So we're going to curve a line down. He's going to have his hands inward. Over here, curve inward. Thumb, boom, boom, boom. Right on. Get that one hand. It's like inward, right? Gonna do the exact same thing on this side. Curve. Thumb right here. Kind of soft shapes. Remember that? Like this, like kind of roundish forms. Oops. Sorry, I almost choked on my own spit here. Sorry about that. Alright. And let's go over here. Up. Out. Down. Right there. He's going to hold the shake in his hand. Top of the lid. And then line up over here. Down. It's a straw. There we go. Line over here, and line over here. There we go. Let's get the shakiness, and I've got to do that. Okay, let's move on to the feet. Downward here for a straight line. And line over here just a little bit, line over here, because we're going to make his feet bigger than normal. Okay. Outward, curve in, up. Alright, so far so good, right? So far we're doing pretty good. Doing pretty good so far. Outward over here, down. Curve underneath. And there we go. This line's a little bit thick over here, so I'm going to thicken out this line over here underneath to kind of make it look like it's like a pseudo shadow. Sometimes when you thicken the lines only in the bottom of stuff, like aiming downward, kind of gives like a pseudo weight to whatever that you're drawing. Just kind of like a little tip. Or you can do what I usually do, which is put a thick line around everything. But really up to you. Alrighty. There you go. Stick around. Let's move on to the next stuff, okay? Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.